Hello friends, we are starting our 255 session of Organized Self-Employment Ministry and Budget. And in this session, we will try to understand that Organized Self-Employment Ministry is necessary for our development. For this, we have made session 1 to 100 in English, 101 to 200 session in Hindi, and 201 to 225 session in Maithili language, and 226 to 300 session in English. This is 255 session, which is explaining about Organized Self-Employment Ministry and Budget. Organized Self-Employment Ministry is an organization under the chairmanship of Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, that is me, who is working for self-employment government job. Before starting our session, we should do prayer and then we will start. From the Sardapur Lohana Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, India, we have also made Labour Party of India with fist of the hand and Om Namah Shivaya Publication Press Magazine for publishing this book Truth Only Terms, which is costing 251. You can purchase this book from me on the mobile number 63973601717, on email address osemboffice2001@gmail.com for this book Truth Only Terms, which is the literature of Organized Self-Employment Ministry. Now we are starting our session from room number 1 to 6 by praying. So room number 1 to 6 we call Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is under control of 26 January 1950 Rashtrapati Bhavan. So first Rashtrapati Bhavan is of Shiv Puran, 12 Jyotir Mandir, 175 crore Jyotir Mandir, Pushpanjali Aarti, Truth Only Terms part. Rashtrapati Bhavan number 2, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran, 12 Jyotir Mandir, 175 crore Jyotir Mandir, Pushpanjali Aarti, Truth Only Terms part. Rashtrapati Bhavan number 3, Brahma Saraswati Puran, ISBN Puran, Educational Certificate Puran, Pushpanjali Aarti, Truth Only Terms part. Rashtrapati Bhavan number 4, Adi Shakti Jagdamba Trinetra, Durga Savitri Bhagavad, Pushpanjali Aarti, Truth Only Terms part. Rashtrapati Bhavan number 5, each United Varashkati God and Goddess, Hindu Government Treasury, Pushpanjali Aarti, Truth Only Terms part. Rashtrapati Bhavan number 6, Hindu Government Treasury, Pushpanjali Aarti, Truth Only Terms. Now we are starting our session. First of all, we have to make right of pension fundamental right. Right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, per month owing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget. We should be preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, and we should have self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, per month owing Finance Commission of India. These all arrangement has been made by Organized Self-Employed Ministry. This is the fiscal credit table, which is the part of Organized Self-Employed Ministry. In this, illiterate educational certificate from class 5th, 8th pass, 10th pass, 12th pass, graduation pass, post-graduation pass, DLET pass, MPhil pass, and PhD pass, and double triple PhD has been recognized, and we have given capital value of the educational certificate. Means we have made right of educational certificate in capital value, and those who do not have educational certificate, we have provided constitutional validity on income work. On this we functions. The Organized Self-Employment Ministry is a setup in which whatever you are doing work, that will be recognized as self-employment government job, and each and every one will be provided direct ministry and direct budget connection, and constitutional service book by Organized Self-Employment Ministry. Constitutional service book will be to one at the headquarter where you are joining, the other will be with you. On this level, the work will be provided and it will be written in this, and time framework will be given. The one who is taking fiscal credit salary, he will complete the work and deposit in the office. In this way, the Organized Self-Employment Ministry will be working, and the feedback will be taken by seniors. Like for 18 years senior is 32 years, and for 32 years senior is 46 years, and for 46 years senior is 58 years, and for 58 years after retirement person. So on this basis, this Organized Self-Employment Ministry works. In the Organized Self-Employment Ministry, everyone is self-employed government job servant, and there is employment equilibrium. Employment equilibrium point is based on aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. In this concept, we have taken the 30,000 per month earner point. In 1947, this 30,000 per month was 30 rupees per month. In 1947, now it has become 30,000 per month above. 30% of the total population is 30,000 per month above earner, individually and 30% and 70% of the population is below 30,000 per month earner. So we are focusing on this. We have made this population into 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan member and 6 governor house member in the state and union territories. And the posting will be done by the prime minister and the chief minister on the part after getting into office. These postings will be on the basis of 3-year regular posting, which will be done by the prime minister and the chief minister. These has been done in order to make people understand that we are availing the facility of the god and goddess who has always been helping us constitutionally. This organized self-employment ministry took birth on 31st August 2001 under the writing of Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, in the thinking, because at that time population started increasing and it was reaching 100 crore. Now gradually, as time has passed and we have crossed 23 years after that, the population has reached 130 to 135 crore. So on that basis, we have made certain arrangements so that whatever population, infinite profession will be, the employment problem will be never disturbing. Because whatever we are doing, that will be given as self-employment government job. And the work will be flexible in the self-employment government job because the salary is half of the fiscal rate. Means minimum salary, you can understand, in the government sector is 50 to 60,000 rupees, and here the minimum salary is 5 to 6,000. So on that level, 100% employment we are providing in this. On that level, we are also providing to move by the promotion, internal department promotion, by doing the work according to the requirements and feedbacks of the organized self-employment ministry. If a person is able to achieve after graduation, means graduation year will be counted on that level, to 2-year degree, complete degree, either by correspondent or by regular, of postgraduate level, and it will be of 10, that type of degree 10 type, means 20 years he will be achieving degrees, he or she will be promoted to the above 30,000. This is the criteria for the organized self-employment ministry for going above 30,000 per month earner. But if the person is not not achieving that degree, he will be promoted gradually in time course. We have arranged this for working with the private sector. According to the organized self-employment ministry, we have 6 family which is working on the central level. We have not acknowledged that family, but on the writings of organized self-employment ministry under the guidance of Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, we have made first family Trishul and Vermilion mark, second that is Shiv Parvati, second family Chakra and Vermilion mark, that is Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Amitavilasa family, third family Kamandal and Vermilion mark, that is educational certificate family, fourth family Trinetra and Vermilion mark, that is Adi Shakti Jagdamba family, fifth family is United Varshkrit God and Goddess, that is Hindu government and Hindu god and goddess, and the sixth family is government Ishwari. All these families, 6 family has been made as a Rashtrapati Bhavan, and this is the ultimate position. We have divided the population on the preamble wise organized employed and preamble wise organized self-employed. Those who are above 30,000 per month and earner, they will be called preamble wise organized employed, and those who are below 30,000, they will be called preamble wise organized self-employed. Because on this level we can have this fiscal credit table. By this fiscal credit table, any person who is joining in the ministry will be directly given fiscal credit salary. The work will be taken later on, because the main requirement is the employment, and employment main consideration is the salary what we are getting. Yes, of course we are slow in giving the salary, because we have a format on which we try to administer the full system. The literature of the organized self-employment ministry is available on the Om Namah Shivaya publication, press magazine, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, by calling me on the number 6397360717, and you can purchase this Truth Only Terms book at 251 by the parcel. So on this level, you can be able to understand more about the truth on returns. We have also organized the festival of organized self-employed ministry between 31st August to 11th September and 16 February to 26 February every year for 10 days by putting in the six space. Okay. शिव पुराण, विष्णु पुराण, रामायण, भागवत गीता, अमित पुराण, ब्रह्मा सरस पुराण, own educational certificate पुराण, ISBN certificate पुराण, and the Durga Devi Bhagavad, each united verse with golden goddess and Hindu government decision, 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti each, and then the stamp of all the six Rashtrapati, one Trishul Vermilion mark, Chakra Vermilion mark, Kamandal Vermilion mark, Trinetra Vermilion mark, book Vermilion mark has Hindu Sanskrit, Garden Goddess, and government stamp Vermilion mark. And on that level, Pushpanjali Arati truth only tells by making the idol of this. And then on the 10th day after puja, we immerse the idol in the Ganga, Yamuna, and other rivers. In this way, we will continue with this festival. You have to come to Sardapur and meet Amiteshwar Jha to form this organized self-employment ministry and budget, because this organized self-employment ministry will provide directly self-employment government job. We have to understand that constitutional validity on income work is the constitutional rights which we are being providing through the organized self-employment ministry and budget. Means that we are assuring to the constitution that we will abide by the rules and regulation of the fiscal credit table and organized self-employed ministry, and we will also understand that we are the sons of six Rashtrapati, and we have also made for the difference court martial connection. That is, court martial connection is that organized, we are all self-employed government job servant, and it can be thought that the Shiv is more elder or Vishnu is more elder or Adi Shakti Jagadamba is more elder. On that point, we have clearly made constitutional provision that a person has to take court martial connection self, and when they are taking court martial connection, 16.66% salary will be cut, and apart from this, the fiscal credit and pension gratuity provident fund DRNS allowance ministerial benefit which we are providing on the ministry, that will also be cut on 16.66 basis throughout the life. And 19 years they have to go to the police station where they have joined near that whichever police station is coming, which has been given by the organized self, that he has to appear every month, and on that basis he will sign the document. When this has been made to understand the efficacy, because on 15th August 1947 we were at the equilibrium position. We would have started organized self-employed ministry with regular income, and we would have in better position because finance commission was made at that time for each and every one, those who will qualify the government job. But self-earning, self-income, certain caste, certain fiscal grade, finance commission was not made. At that time also the population was 30 to 33 crore population, and we were on the ideal form that we will study. Now many types of corruption and red tapeism and different types of problem are coming in society. Due to this educational certificate which we are having, it is not able to get validity. Then we have to wander here and there, and after wandering also we are not able to satisfy by the problem, and then whole life we have to suffer from the irregular income. To contradict this, we have made the organized self-employment ministry. Here work from home and work from office both will be provided by the organized self-employment ministry. Apart from this, double salary system will also be provided, because a person can work in the private sector, and we will from the organized self-employment side will be the guardian as ministry, and we can talk to the private sector that for this work he has been taking leave, and on that basis he has to complete the work, and the service book will record all the service what we are providing. In lieu of that, throughout life the person will be given fiscal credit, salary and promotion 4 years after 4 years working in the organized self-employed ministry. And if suppose job is going, then also this fiscal credit salary will continue because it has its own service book. Educational certificate, as I have told you, 20 after getting graduation, again 20 years if people study on the post graduation level, means 10 degrees of post graduation, automatically he will be posted in the 30,000 above slab. This has been done to continue with the organized setup, because Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, my thinking is that if 10 rupees is organized or 1 rupee is organized of each individual, and on that pension, gratuity, provident fund, DRNS allowance and other ministry benefit is given, automatically the life become beautiful and people become more constant, and in this way he will be able to be successful in the life. So for this reason I am emphasizing on the regular income side, so that the regular income can develop. Self-employment government job is providing all these facilities in the organized self-employment ministry and budget. We are also available on the Zoom app and Google Meet, and also on the YouTube live session by taking appointment from me on my mobile number 6397360717 and email address osemboffice2001@gmail.com. Apart from this, organized self-employment ministry has been regularly working from Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, India. So we should make organized self-employment. We have also at Shardapur the flag place, where the 6 flag of 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Shiv Puran, Trishul vermilion mark with white cloth, Chakra vermilion mark for Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita Krishna Radha on white cloth, Kamandal vermilion mark for Brahmasrati educational certificate on the white cloth, Tranit vermilion mark on the for the Jagadamba Durga Siddhi Bhagavad on the white cloth, Varshkrit God and Goddess book and vermilion mark for each Hindu God and Goddess, and government stamp vermilion mark on the white cloth. These 6 flags with unity flag of organized self-employment, Trishul vermilion mark, white cloth with Trishul vermilion mark, Chakra vermilion mark, Kamandal vermilion mark, Tranetra vermilion mark, book vermilion mark, and government stamp, because self-employment government job will be provided to 100. Now we are concluding our organized self-employment 255 session by worshipping at Shardapur room number 126, which we call Rashtrapati 1126. First room number 1 Shiv Puran 12 Jyotir Mandir 175 crore Jyoti में पुष्पांजलि आरती ट्रुथ ऑनली पर राष्ट्रपति भवन नंबर विष्णु पुराण रामायण भागवत गीता पुष्पांजलि आरती ट्रुथ ऑनली राष्ट्रपति भवन नंबर 3 ब्रह्मा सरस्वती पुराण ISBN पुष्पांजलि आरती ट्रुथ ऑनली राष्ट्रपति भवन 4 आदि शक्ति जगदम्बा दुर्गा सदेव पुष्पांजलि आरती ट्रुथ ऑनली राष्ट्रपति भवन 5 ईच यूनाइटेड वर्षकृत गॉड एंड गॉडेस पुष्पांजलि आरती ट्रुथ ऑनली राष्ट्रपति भवन 6 हिंदू गवर्नमेंट गवर्नमेंटरी पुष्पांजलि आरती ट्रुथ ऑनली. Thank you.